Hey guys, welcome back to SKJ Reviews. Part 1. We uncovered how Freezur creates those addictive viral videos that freeze viewers in their tracks. Now in Part 2, we're diving deep into the exact strategy one used to generate over 2.1 million views targeting specifically US audiences. United States. Remember how I mentioned the brain rot phenomenon? Today, I'm revealing the step-by-step process to leverage Freezur's AI for maximum US algorithm penetration. First, understanding the US content consumption pattern is crucial. American viewers respond differently than international audiences. They prefer fast-paced storytelling, emotional hooks in the first 3 seconds, and relatable cultural references. Freezur's AI is specifically trained on US trending content data, which is why it outperforms other tools for American creators. Here's what most creators get wrong. They use the same content strategy for all markets. But with Freezur, you can customize everything for US preferences, from voice accents to trending topics and even current events references that resonate with American viewers. Now, let's get into the actual demo and
Hey there, this is Freezur, an all-new app that lets you create viral videos. Exactly the same kind of videos that are taking the internet by storm right now. I'm talking about the viral storyteller style videos that are absolutely a rage on sites like TikTok.
Workflow that's crushing it in US markets. Here I'll show you exactly how I create videos that consistently hit 500K plus views using Freezur's US optimized features. Step 1. Idea generation for US audience. Freezur's AI analyzes trending topics specifically in United States, from viral Reddit stories to current events. Instead of guessing what works, you get data-driven content ideas that American viewers can't resist clicking. Step 2. Script writing with US cultural context. This is where Freezur shines. The AI automatically incorporates American slang, cultural references, and storytelling styles that resonate with US viewers. No more awkward translations or missed cultural nuances. Step 3. Voiceover with perfect American accent. Choose from multiple genuine American English voices, not those robotic TDS voices that sound fake. The emotional delivery matches exactly what US audiences expect from professional content. Backhand index pointing right, demo link in description. I've put the exact Freezur workflow I use in the description below so you can follow along. The secret sauce? Freezur's understanding of US watch patterns. American viewers have shorter attention spans, but higher engagement rates when hooked properly. That's why the AI creates those can't look away moments in the first 5 seconds. Now, let's talk about the real magic. Monetization strategies that work specifically for US audiences. Money with wings. I've discovered 3 killer approaches that are generating insane revenue. Strategy 1. Affiliate marketing US style. American viewers respond differently to promotions. Freezur automatically integrates your affiliate offers into the storyline naturally. I'm seeing 3x higher conversion rates compared to international audiences. Strategy 2. Brand integrations. US brands pay top dollar for organic placements in viral content. Freezur's product integration feature makes your promotions feel like part of the story rather than ads. Strategy 3. YouTube Partner Program. With Freezur's watch time optimization, I'm hitting YouTube monetization requirements in weeks instead of months. The RPM rates for US audiences are 5-10x higher than other countries. But wait, here's what nobody tells you about the US market. Timing and trends move fast. What works today might not work tomorrow. That's why Freezur's real-time trend analysis is absolutely critical for staying ahead. Pushpin pro tip. Use Freezur's split testing feature to create multiple versions of the same story and see which one performs best with American viewers. The data will shock you. The best part? I've put together a free workflow document showing exactly how I set up these monetization streams. Check the description below. Backhand index pointing down. So here's my final verdict after testing Freezur for 60 days targeting only US audiences. Trophy. Results. Over 2.1 million views, 45,000 new subscribers, and $8,700 in revenue, all from American viewers. Why this works for USA? Freezur understands the psychological triggers that make American viewers stop scrolling. The emotional storytelling, perfect pacing, and cultural relevance create that brain freeze effect that algorithms love. The competition can't compare. I tested 7 other AI video tools, but none understand US market nuances like Freezur. The voice emotions, trend analysis, and content patterns are specifically trained on American data. Warning: don't make the same mistake I did initially. I started with the basic version, but quickly realized the Pro upgrade is essential for US success. The unlimited videos, commercial license, and all AI features make the difference between amateur and professional results. Backhand index pointing right demo link in description. I've included the exact Freezur setup I use, plus my personal workflow for dominating US algorithms. Final thoughts. If you're serious about cracking the US market, Freezur isn't just an option, it's a necessity. The 30-day money-back guarantee makes this risk-free. Either it works for you, or you get every penny back. Drop a comment below telling me which strategy you'll try first. I read every single comment and love hearing your success stories. Don't forget to like, share with your creator friends, and subscribe for more US-focused growth strategies. Thanks for watching part 2. You're now equipped to dominate American algorithms.